This video is the last part for this 2.2 deep dive into Manim internals. We will try to explain the animation and the render loop with you. So we don't have the coding practice within these videos, but we will use the earlier samples to show you the sequence of those. So when we have discussed about the Manim internal functions and the definitions through the past small parts after overview and then this preliminary and the mobility. So if I show you on the restructured this mind map, within the preliminary, we talk about how to import those libraries and distinguish these star means. And then we talk about how to initialize or instantiation and rendering through your scene. That is also the preliminary part. And then in the last M object, we split to two parts is to talk about object. In Manim is called M object. Is either you can call that is Manim object or mathematical object, but that is the placeholder, or you can say that is the container or base class for all object to be displayed on screen. And I also show you how to read the source code. Go to the Manim is GitHub project site is we can learn is how those different object is being defined, especially is back to our sample, how to define the square is based on the rectangle, then based on this polygon within this polygram.py. How to define the circle is based on the arc, so that is within this arc.py. So you can through those learning the source code, I hope is you can build up the hierarchical of this Manim the class structure, which represent the different M object. And for this one is we have talking about animation, but animation is also the just one part is the motion part. You may remember is when we did execute our Manim program is either is generate a static image or generate a motion animation. So that is both in this rendering loop. So here within this initialization part is we will see the certain this begin finish interpolate the method under animation. So detailed of those we may also discuss those later on in the reference these menus. And then this after initialize is go to the play. So it's our method under the scene.play. And within the play or after the play is starting the render loop for real. This time is we will see this carrier Carol renderers, they will have either save a static frame or they play the animation. To complete the render loop is you will use this animation finish, but not you manually use that is just the internal. The way of that is call the finish or and also call this clean up of the scene. So to help you understand that is I put this image to show you is if you try to understand this from beginning to the end, even this after the finish, there's still many things to be done or many methods is to be called within the scene. So like if you have weight is will make that pose and you have to construct, tear down and then final is finish the file writer. So all these are the roughly the sequence of the render loop, but it's not all. So I just wanted you to have some idea is when you analyze our animation, especially is if your animation execution is in certain the problem or error when you do the troubleshooting. So keep in mind certain this high level sequence will help you to find out the problems part. For this content, so you can read from our deep dive and come to this animation and the render loop. So here, every part, if you can click, is will come to give you certain the linkage directly to the reference menu. But as I mentioned, we will go through the reference menu as a dedicated part within our course, so no hurry for that. So, that PowerPoint page is I just already summarize the key steps for you on this page, so you can refer to that the image, which I will also put that into the our this GitHub part, and also give you this screenshot so that you can read this and make that as a side reference. So with that is we finish this one. I will not go to the every paragraph detail, so you can refer either by the PowerPoint or by this mind map to read this. And we finish this 2.2 deep dive. From next video is we will go to some the detail rendering discussion. We don't put that too much, but in the earlier sample, some examples we've used the text display, and even this we use the LaTeX to show the formula. So now we will use the specific chapter to see how the text and the formula is being rendered within the Manim. So see you in the next chapter 2.3. Bye for now.